In 2021, Zillow, one of the largest real estate platforms in the United States, shut down a major business initiative after losing hundreds of millions of dollars. The program was called Zillow Offers, and it was built around an algorithm designed to buy homes directly from sellers, then quickly resell them for a profit. This business model is known as iBuying, instant buying, and it relied heavily on Zillow's home value estimation algorithm, known as the Zestimate. The core idea was for the algorithm to predict a home's future value accurately enough that Zillow could buy it, make light renovations, and resell it profitably at scale. For a period, the model seemed to work reasonably well in a relatively stable housing market. But in 2021, the U.S. housing market became extremely volatile, with rapid price swings driven by unusual pandemic-era economic conditions. Zillow's pricing algorithm struggled to keep up with these fast-changing market dynamics. The model had largely been trained and tuned on more stable, historical housing data, and it wasn't well suited to sudden, unprecedented shifts in the market. Compounding the problem, Zillow also faced a labor and supply shortage affecting its ability to renovate and resell homes quickly. This meant the company was accumulating a large inventory of homes it had already purchased, based on the algorithm's price predictions, but couldn't sell fast enough. As the market shifted, many of these homes were now worth less than what Zillow had paid for them. By the third quarter of 2021, Zillow reported a significant loss, revealing that its algorithm had been systematically overpaying for homes relative to their actual resale value. Zillow ended up holding thousands of homes purchased at prices higher than current market value, essentially trapped in a rapidly shifting market. In November 2021, Zillow announced it was shutting down Zillow Offers entirely. The company took a financial hit of an estimated $500 million or more in inventory write-downs. It also announced layoffs affecting roughly 2,000 employees, about a quarter of Zillow's total workforce at the time. The technical root cause was an algorithm making high-stakes financial decisions, buying real homes with real money, without sufficiently accounting for rapid shifts in a highly uncertain market. The model's confidence in its own predictions did not adequately reflect the genuine uncertainty of forecasting home prices months into an unpredictable future. There was also a structural business risk, tying a purely algorithmic pricing decision directly to large, illiquid financial commitments, actual home purchases, with no easy way to reverse course quickly. The lesson here applies broadly to any business using predictive algorithms for high-stakes financial decisions. Models need to explicitly account for their own uncertainty, especially during periods of unusual market volatility, not just rely on historical patterns. There's also a broader lesson about coupling algorithmic decisions to actions that are expensive or slow to reverse, like buying physical real estate. When a prediction is wrong, the cost of undoing that decision matters just as much as the accuracy of the prediction itself. Zillow's collapse remains one of the most prominent examples of what can happen when a data-driven business model meets real-world uncertainty it wasn't built to handle.